Intermittent fasting has gained significant attention in recent years as a lifestyle choice that offers numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolic health, and enhanced cognitive function. However, for cancer patients, the practice of intermittent fasting may offer even more profound advantages. According to experts, intermittent fasting could be a valuable adjunct to conventional cancer treatments, potentially enhancing their efficacy while reducing side effects. How intermittent fasting affects cancer cells. Cancer cells are often metabolically different from normal cells, and they thrive on a steady supply of glucose and other nutrients. Intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, can create an environment that is less favorable for cancer cell growth. During fasting periods, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. This shift can starve cancer cells, which are often less adept at using ketone bodies for energy. Moreover, intermittent fasting has been shown to induce a state of autophagy, a process where the body breaks down and recycles damaged cells and cellular components. Autophagy is particularly beneficial in cancer patients because it can help eliminate damaged cells that could potentially become cancerous, while also reducing inflammation, a known driver of cancer progression. Enhancing cancer treatment efficacy. One of the most promising aspects of intermittent fasting is its potential to enhance the effectiveness of cancer treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Research suggests that fasting can make cancer cells more sensitive to these treatments while protecting normal cells from their toxic effects. This selective vulnerability could lead to more effective tumor killing with fewer side effects. For patients, a study published in the journal Cancer Cell found that fasting combined with chemotherapy was more effective in reducing tumor growth in mice than chemotherapy alone. The researchers observed that fasting not only killed cancer cells, but also boosted the immune system's ability to target and destroy remaining cancer cells, reducing treatment-related side effects. Cancer treatments, while life-saving, often come with a host of side effects, including nausea, fatigue, and weight loss. Intermittent fasting may help mitigate some of these symptoms. For instance, by reducing insulin-like growth factor 1 IGF-1, a hormone that can promote cancer cell growth. Fasting may help reduce the severity of certain side effects associated with chemotherapy. Additionally, intermittent fasting can help maintain muscle mass and prevent weight loss, which are common issues for cancer patients undergoing treatment. By optimizing nutrient intake during eating periods, patients can support their body's healing processes while still reaping the benefits of fasting. Expert opinions. Experts in the field of oncology are increasingly recognizing the potential of intermittent fasting in cancer care. Dr. Walter Longo, a leading researcher in the field of fasting and cancer, has noted that fasting can help reduce the side effects of chemotherapy and radiation, while also making these treatments more effective. Longo's research has shown that fasting can protect normal cells from damage while sensitizing cancer cells to treatment. Dr. Benjamin D. Horn, a cardiovascular epidemiologist, has also highlighted the potential benefits of intermittent fasting for cancer patients, stating that the metabolic changes induced by fasting could be particularly beneficial for those undergoing cancer treatment. Conclusion. While more research is needed to fully understand the implications of intermittent fasting in cancer care, the current evidence suggests that it could be a valuable tool in the fight against cancer. By enhancing the effectiveness of treatments, reducing side effects, and promoting a healthier metabolic state, intermittent fasting may offer a natural and complementary approach to cancer therapy. As with any dietary changes, cancer patients should consult with their healthcare providers before embarking on an intermittent fasting regimen to ensure it is safe and appropriate for their specific condition.